Hey, Creations by Courtney here with another unboxing. So this one is special. I got my handy dandy little snips. Oh my gosh, if you don't have a pair of these, you so need a pair. They're tiny, but they're mighty. Look at that. Look at that. These things are probably better than most of my bigger scissors. Okay, this is taped like so well. And honestly, I don't even know what's in this box. Okay, I have an idea. Like, I know, but I don't know. So, we are going to find out together. Okay, there we go. They taped this so well. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay. I don't know what's more fun, watching my kids open gifts on Christmas or like opening yarn-related mail. Okay, and hooks and bags and all the things. So, drum roll. How cute is this? I love this little new postcard. Ooh, and it includes a coupon. Love it. Can't have enough hooks. Okay, paper. The goodies. Okay, drop myself to the side. I make such a mess when I unbox. Ooh, we have two. Okay, and they're streamlines. So, if you're not familiar with Furls Crochet, they have been around 10 years now, and they make gorgeous ergonomic hooks. I am addicted to these hooks, have been since I discovered them in 2013. So much that my very first hook came apart from using it so much, but they were awesome at replacing it. So I almost use their hooks like exclusively, except for like the Tunisian hooks. I do have a few, but I do large projects, so I need like the Tunisian hooks with cables. But I have a knife grip, so this is why I love them. Okay, so we are going to start with the first box. We're going to be surprised together. I know, I'm so silly. Ooh. You ready? Oh my word! It's gorgeous! Oh! I was not expecting this. Can you see that sparkle? Oh my word. Stunner. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's open up the second one. Oh, snap. Ah! Look at this one. Oh, my word. This is like, look at the sparkle in this. Okay. Okay. Like, just stop. Just stop. Let's see if I can get them to balance. Let me bring it in closer. Like, look at that sparkle. Oh, my word. It's like, I was not expecting this. Not at all. And so, I got a G+, which is the 4.5 millimeter, and the K, the 6.5. So, this is the brand new Sagittarius Streamline of their Zodiac line. This is amazing. I mean, all of them are pretty, but this might be my new favorite. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can get this to show up well enough. Do you see the depth of the, like, pearlescent color right there? Like, what? And look at how, like, the yellow just swirls in there. And then look at this one. Got a little more yellow. Got a little more sparkle. Like, look at that. It really does look like... It makes me think of those really cool pictures on, like, by NASA of, like, what the galaxies look like. Again, their renderings of it. But, yes, brand new release. Oops, my hood fell. I'm putting this back on. It is cold here in Georgia. But anyways, I just had to share these brand new hooks with you. You had to open them with me. This is a genuine reaction. You saw me open the boxes. Like, this is Amazing. Okay, let's look again. And if you don't know, your girl loves purple. Like, purple is my color. And I love yellow, if you can't tell. My hoodie. But, oh my gosh. So, brand new release as of today, Furls Crochet. Link below. You know you need to get some. And if you haven't signed up for the early access Black Friday, you need to get on it, like, right now. Like, right now. That means you get to start shopping Friday, a whole week before the public, which means these are the best deals of the entire year for Furls Crochet. So this is the time of year I stock up. I mean, I buy stuff throughout the year. I can't help myself. I love their hooks. They get a new color, I'm all over it. So I do have a list. And that's the thing. If you have a list, go ahead, create your account, make your wish list. That when the sale goes live, you just click add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. That way you can get it, because you don't have to act fast. Stuff is going to disappear quickly. So I will be back soon. It might be in the next 2 days, because I have more stuff to open. I'm just saying, I've been waiting for the right moment, and today was it. This was it. So you may get sick of seeing these hooks, because I'm going to use them for anything, because it's purple and yellow and sparkle. Like, you can't go wrong with glitter and purple in my book. So again, I hope you hit that like and subscribe button and the notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming unboxings, tutorials, and stylings of your fiber fashion goods. So keep stitching. I'll talk with y'all soon.